What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new episode of Idiots in Cars, and today we're gonna be watching once again some of the greatest drivers the world has ever seen. So without any further ado, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now, shall we? Alrighty, let's get this party started. Oh, looks like SpongeBob finally got his license. And what to say other than our boy has finally done it. Imagine being overtaken by a boat on the highway. That's amazing. And that is a pole position. First of many today, I would say. And he lurks in the shadows and he attacks. He doesn't like SUVs, I guess. Ah, POV, you just bought your first car, you got your keys, you turn it on and start driving, and you crash it right away. Like a dingleberry. And here goes an Opel / Vauxhall going for an overtake. Luckily this one is not eaten by the rust. Not yet, at least, as he goes into a roundabout with a lot of speed and power. But entering is one thing and exiting is completely another. Will he make it? And of course not. Into the ditch he goes. Now that's straight up mocking. Oh, hello there, 5-0. And here we have a guy who works at the airport, but he took a day off and decided to help by directing them somewhere. And this guy's like, wait for me, boys! Captain Baguette has arrived. And he means business. Oh, this car looks evil. It looks like a main villain, but it's not. And you know what? When I think about it, it reminds me of Lightning McQueen a little bit. But whoa, John Cena! As we like to say, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Both of them wanted to jump ahead. Unbelievable. But anyways, let's see here. Here comes the smart. Bruh. How the hell do you even see? That one needs the sticker that says road hazard. Be aware, everybody, there's a lot of dingleberries around. Like that one, for example. Cyclists do like to complain how nobody cares about them on the roads, and then they pull these stupid stunts all the time, and it's ridiculous. Oh, looks like someone's lost. It's pretty obvious that you cannot go left, but at least he's gonna correct his mistake, which is fair enough. No big deal. We all make mistakes sometimes. I only hate it when someone makes a mistake and doesn't want to correct it. That's the worst part. Dun 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 dun. You may kiss the bride. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. They're meant for each other and they lived happily ever after. I only don't know who's the bride and who's the groom. You tell me in the comments what do you think about that. But anyways, it's time to move on. Oh, I think here they both didn't pay too much attention, you know, but I don't know. Whoa, you... Right, tell me you're from the UK without telling me you're from the UK. Look at this guy. Yo, bro, don't do it, don't. Oh my god, some people are unbelievable. How do you even manage to do that? This is that moment when you ask yourself, what the hell is going on in their head? Oh my god, this is terrible. What the hell? I guess it's too late now. There is no good solution for this. I mean, whatever he does next, it's gonna be ugly. Oh, that's not good. That is too dangerous. Even if you see this idiot in time and stop, that doesn't mean the guy from behind is gonna do the same. And that's the scariest part. Come on, man, faster. Gotta move on, come on. Oh, thank god, that's over. I'm glad he didn't cause an accident. But it looks like that's about to change. Power! Oh, that little when he hit him. That was funny, but friendly fire will not be tolerated. I'll tell you that. On to the next one. Whoa. That's why you need to de-ice your car completely every time. Whoa. Take it easy, cowboy. Sorry, boys, I sneezed. Now it's all good. Now for real, what the hell was that all about? Let's see here. He doesn't have friends, he got family. And that's not Dodge Challenger, that's Dodge Challenged. He made a wrong turn. Yep, turn around, buddy. And you're more than welcome to try again. Let's move on. That dude decided to go for an overtake in a very dangerous way. Because of course overtaking from the left lane is overrated. And you spin me right round, baby, right round. That was a nice 360 to be honest. But other than that, you're complete dingleberry. Oh, this guy decided to take a little shortcut. Because why not? What can go wrong? It works every time I try this in GTA. Why wouldn't it now? Alright, let's see here. Everything's peaceful, a great neighborhood. But something tells me that this guy has some other plans. Beep, beep, beep. You stupid. That game was called Whack Your Neighbor's Mailbox, but... Anyways, moving on. Oh no, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. That was actually an epic save. Which is a great thing, he almost rolled over. And that would be bad. He almost went from a from a G-Wagon to G-Pancake. Whoa, yo! Great left turn. Nice. Whoa, 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 what is going on? Is everybody on drugs or what? It definitely looks like it. It's free for all out there. It's crazy. No stop signs, speed limits. Nobody's gonna stop us now. Except this BMW using his indicator. Which is a miracle in itself. And the rest is just usual stuff. Just another day for a BMW. What else do you want? I mean, he used his indicator, so what else do you need? It's enough. That's good enough for a BMW, let's put it that way. To infinity and beyond. The wheel's gone. Beep, beep, beep. Come on, you're good, you're good, you're good. Come on, nice and easy, nice and easy. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. That's it. That's perfect.
Skeptical.
You just got rammed.
And squeeze off a round by accident. She's not here.
Oh hell no, bro! He went through a red. Ooh, that went much better than I thought. On to the next one we go. This one is gonna be interesting by the looks of it. Right, what should I do now? Power! Oh, there's the car there. No, never mind. Okay, I'll find another spot. It's okay. This is the most random thing I've seen in a while. Bro is in a witness protection program. He's pretending to be a bush. It's like a prop hunt. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Just a giant bush in the middle of the road. That was funny. And now we are moving on. Let's see here. Power whack! Oh, that was nasty. That will hurt in the morning. Whoa, whoa, stop, dude. Ooh. That's one way to unload your pickup truck. The boss. What the hell have you done? Him, I told you it's gonna be fast, not pretty, so what do you want? Whoa, dude. And on to the next delivery he goes. Moving on to the next one. Someone's running a red here for sure. No! Whoa! I don't know what's wrong with people. Left turns are not that difficult. But anyways, let's see here. Looks like it's time for some speed and power! Whack! This is like a GTA server. Damn. And he definitely did some more donuts than he wanted to. Hey, yo, stay in your lane, no! Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a roller coaster.
Oh my god!
And apparently screaming does help sometimes after all. That was crazy. And here goes another Dodge Challenger, and he did not dodge that one because the little Ford Fiesta went through a red. And it's always a little car. It's always... Oh, that was a biggie. Whoa. Hope he's alright. And where was I? It's always the smallest car that makes the biggest mess. I don't know why, but... Whoa, whoa, whoa. That one was real bad. I can't even joke about this one. Some people really don't deserve their licenses, for sure. Oh, and look at this dingleberry. He forgot his brain at home, apparently. But anyways, moving on. And into a roundabout we go, the favorite playground for the drivers who don't know how to drive, and there we go. This one didn't disappoint. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support. It really means the world to me. I hope you enjoyed in today's video, and if you did, please smack that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this, of course, and also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.